After installing Windows 10, many of you experiencing problem accessing other network drive. Today I will help you how to resolve it in 2 minutes. Let's show you. First, you have to type here control panel, then go to uninstall program, then you will find here turn off Windows feature. So scroll down, then you will find SMB. So you have to check in both options, and there is two options, that's for client and server, and this is SMB direct. So after that press OK. It will take some time to install the features. It is installing now. So after installing this, it will ask you to restart. So you need to restart to work on, and after restarting it should be working. After installing those services, now you can access network drive this way. Yes, now you can access any share folder. Thank you so much for watching.